Hello, my amazing friends from all over the world. Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ, the place where learning English feels like a journey with your best friend. My name is Liza,
your host, your guide, and your biggest fan in your English learning journey. Before we begin today, I want you to take a deep breath.
Inhale
And exhale.
Smile for yourself because you're here and you're doing something powerful for your life. You're growing, learning, and becoming more confident with every word.
This episode is all about shadowing practice with daily life sentences. And guess what? It's not going to be boring. Oh no, it's going to be fun, real, and useful.
Why? Because you'll hear sentences that are used in actual conversations at home, at work, with friends, and even with strangers.
And not just that, we'll add life to them through real examples, helpful tips, and friendly stories.
So plug in your headphones, grab a notebook if you want, and let your ears and your mouth do the magic. This episode is made with love just for you. Let's dive in.
Shadowing tips. Before we begin the shadowing sentences, let's talk quickly about how to do it. Listen to each sentence carefully. Repeat it after me, just like an actor repeats lines in a movie.
Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on the rhythm, the emotion, and the meaning. If you need to pause and practice again, do it. There's no rush here. Be proud of every word you speak. You're making progress.
Now, let's begin our shadowing journey. We'll move through different situations: morning routine, home, shopping, work, and casual conversations. These are sentences you'll use every day.
Morning routine sentences. Let's start with the morning. This is how your day might begin. 1. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
2. Time to get out of bed.
3. I need 5 more minutes, please.
4. Let me brush my teeth first.
5. Don't forget to wash your face.
6. What should I wear today?
7. The weather looks great this morning.
8. I'll make some coffee.
9. Would you like tea or coffee?
10. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Breakfast doesn't have to be fancy. A banana and toast with a smile can be the perfect start. What's your favorite breakfast?
Home and family sentences. Now imagine you're at home talking with your family. 11. Can you pass me the remote?
12. Let's clean the house today.
13. Where did you put the keys?
14. I'm doing the laundry.
15. Could you help me with the dishes?
16. Let's have dinner together tonight.
17. I'm so tired. I just want to relax.
18. Please lower your voice.
19. That movie was really funny.
20. I love spending time with you.
Sometimes simple sentences like "I love spending time with you" mean the most. Say it to someone today. Make their day.
Sometimes simple sentences like "I love spending time with you" mean the most. Say it to someone today. Make their day.
Shopping and outside sentences. Now let's go outside. Imagine you're at the market or shopping center. 21. How much does this cost?
22. Do you have this in a different size?
23. I'm just looking, thank you.
24. Can I try this on?
25. It's a bit too expensive.
26. Is there a discount?
27. I think I'll take it.
28. Where's the checkout counter?
29. Can I pay by card?
30. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You can use these sentences when traveling, shopping online, or even helping a friend. Try to use them in real life.
Next time you shop, speak out loud or in your mind.
Work and study sentences. Now, picture yourself at work or school. 31. I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
32. Could you help me with this task?
33. I'll send you an email.
34. Please don't be late.
35. That's a great idea.
36. Let's take a short break.
37. I need to focus right now.
38. The deadline is tomorrow.
39. Let's work together on this.
40. Thanks for your support.
English at work doesn't have to be scary. Be polite, be clear, be kind. That's the real professional language.
Casual conversations and friendly talk. Let's relax now and have a chat with a friend. 41. Hey, how have you been?
42. It's so good to see you.
43. What have you been up to?
44. Let's catch up sometime.
45. I missed you.
46. You look amazing today.
47. I'm here if you need anything.
48. Let's go for a walk.
49. I needed that laugh.
50. I'm so glad we talked.
Bye, beautiful students. You know, friendship is a beautiful thing, and English helps you connect with people all over the world. Use it, love it, share it.
Mini motivation time. Let's take a tiny pause. I want to remind you of something important. You are doing amazing. You are not just learning English. You are learning to connect. You are learning to express. You are learning to dream bigger.
Even when it feels slow, you are moving forward step by step. So keep showing up, keep practicing, keep believing.
And hey, if you've come this far in the episode, I want you to say out loud with me, I am proud of myself. I am growing every day.
Say it again louder this time. I am proud of myself. I am growing every day.
Now let's move to the next 50 shadowing sentences in the second part of this episode, with more examples, more practice, and even more love.
Shadowing practice with daily life sentences, Part 2. Welcome back, my wonderful friend. You're still here, still listening, and still learning. And I want you to know how proud I am of you.
Let's continue our journey with daily English sentences that feel real, personal, and full of life. Just like before, listen carefully, repeat after me, and feel the words as they come from your heart and mouth.
Now let's continue from sentence 51, at a cafe or restaurant. Imagine you're at a cafe with a friend or ordering lunch. 51. Could I see the menu, please?
52. What do you recommend?
53. I'll have the same as you.
54. I'm allergic to peanuts.
55. Can I get this without cheese?
56. This tastes amazing.
57. Excuse me, can I get the bill?
58. Can I pay separately?
59. Thank you, the service was excellent.
60. Let's come here again sometime.
Next time you're eating out, even at home, try to say these sentences out loud. Even pretend to role play. 92. I believe I can do it.
93. I'm working hard every day.
94. I want to travel the world.
95. I dream of studying abroad.
96. I want to help my family.
97. I want to feel more confident.
98. I know I will succeed.
99. I'm not giving up.
99. I'm not giving up.
100. I will keep going no matter what.
Say that last sentence again with me. I will keep going no matter what. Because that's how you grow. That's how your dreams come true.
Let's take a moment. Just you and me. You've just practiced 100 powerful, beautiful English sentences. Each one useful, each one real.
Think about it. You've covered everything from morning routines to dreams, from emotions to shopping, from cafe conversations to travel and goals.
But this episode isn't just about memorizing lines. It's about connecting with English. Because English is not just a language, it's a way of expressing you.
You are not just learning to speak. You're learning to tell stories. You're learning to share your heart. You're learning to live in English.
I want to tell you a short story. One of our listeners, Maya from the Philippines, used to whisper English to herself in front of the mirror. She was shy, afraid to make mistakes. She thought, I will never sound fluent.
But she kept listening to our podcast every day for 10 minutes. She started shadowing, repeating sentences, smiling, getting better bit by bit.
Now, she speaks with confidence. She even helps other learners.
Why am I telling you this? Because you can be like Maya. You are already on your way. You just need to keep going, One word, one sentence, one podcast at a time.
If you loved this episode, and I really hope you did, here's what you can do next. Replay this episode again tomorrow. Repetition is real progress.
Pick 5 sentences from today and say them throughout the day. Try recording yourself. Play it back. You'll hear your growth.
Share this episode with a friend who wants to learn too. And most importantly, subscribe to Super English Podcast so you never miss our next episode.
And finally, I want to leave you with this. Fluency is not about speed. It's about connection. It's not about big words. It's about real words. It's not about perfect grammar. It's about using your voice with confidence.
And you, my friend, are doing that every time you listen to this podcast. No, finally. You did it. Yes, you made it to the end. 100 shadowing sentences. One beautiful journey from me, Leah, and all of us at English Podcast with FTJ. Thank you. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for learning with us. We'll see you again very soon.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing, and always speak from the heart.